Hi everyone, my name is Jacob with Classic Trim Parts, and today I'll show you how to replace the gas strut for the rear deck cover, as well as the antenna mast grommets right here that protect the antenna motor. So the first step will be to remove the CD player here, and that's just held on the sides with 4 Phillips head screws, and those will just simply secure that in, and you could pull it out. You could also remove some of these plugs that are plugged into this side here. It'll help you just make more space and be able to pull it out further. And then after you remove that CD player, you could then remove the bracket here that holds the CD player in. And that's all located right over here. The bracket is held in 2 points with just some number 10 nuts. And once you remove the bracket, you could then take out the whole entire carpeting piece that's found here, so you could gain access to all of this. And the strut here that allows you to easily move the deck cover up and down is right here. There are actually 2 struts. This one's for the trunk. This one here is for the deck cover. So if your deck cover falls down or doesn't stay up, that's because the gas over time has leaked out of your strut here. So to remove the old strut, you could simply just break this off. You could use a screwdriver, a thin screwdriver, something like that, just to break the cap off of there. And you can see it on this one. The cap will just break off and you can pop it off. And this one will just slide on and snap in. And then as for the antenna mast here, you'll have to remove the actual antenna, which is just a bolt back down here, and then this entire assembly will come off. While that's off, you're able to access the grommets here, so you could just slide the new grommets in. We have both the lower, this one right here, as well as the upper grommet right there, and that just snaps on top of this one. So you can easily replace both of these parts. We have them available on our website, classictrimparts.com. So check that out. I'll put a link in the description. If you have any other questions about installing, you can leave a comment or contact us at our office. Thanks for watching.